TechnoGIMP Module 1 GIMP and its interface. Overview. Situation. It's the start of the school year and your teacher gave you an assignment to send a photo of your daily routine during quarantine. You thought of improving the photo by changing its size and adding filters, but you don't have a photo editing software on your phone. Luckily, one of your friends suggested you to use the XGimp Image Editor app. Learning goals. By the end of this module, you should be able to: Number 1. Sign into your Google account. Number 2. Install XGimp Image Editor on your mobile device. Number 3. Familiarize yourself with the XGimp interface. Materials needed. For this module, you will need the following: mobile device, XGimp Image Editor app, email address and password provided by the school. Learn. Key terms. Image Editor, a software that allows images to be edited and converted to different graphic file formats. Mobile application, most commonly referred to as an app, a type of application software designed to run on a mobile device. XGimp Image Editor. The XGimp Image Editor application is a free and open source image editor that can run on Android and iOS mobile operating systems. It is used for photo retouching, image composition, and image authoring. Basic parts of XGimp. A. Magic wand icon. This contains the different stickers for designing. B. Undo. This allows you to go back in time, reversing the last action. C. Redo. This allows you to restore any action that has been previously undone. D or K. Color chooser, also known as the color palette. You can change the color of your canvas, text, and brush using the color chooser. E. Switch tools. This is the shortcut to switch from Move tool to the previously used tool. F. Options menu. This contains options to exit, save, and create a new file. You can also use this to view your canvas in full screen. G. Canvas. This is where you edit or create an output. H. Tools. The Tools menu contains the different tools for creating and editing your work. Brush tool allows you to paint using two kinds of brush shapes on the canvas. Pipette tool is used to copy any color from the canvas. Stamp tool allows you to duplicate an object or image. Circle or ellipse tool allows the user to draw a circle or an oval shape. Resize image tool allows you to select an area of an image and trim everything outside it to show a smaller area. You may also use this to resize the canvas. Flip tool is used to flip the image or layer horizontally or vertically. Zoom tool is used to adjust the zoom level. Line tool is used to draw a line. Cursor is an indicator used to show the current position for user interaction. Fill tool is used to fill an area with the selected solid color. Square or rectangle tool allows the user to draw a square or a rectangle shape. Import image tool is used to insert an image in the canvas. Eraser tool allows you to erase or remove parts of an image from the canvas. Move tool allows you to move a selection or an entire layer. Rotate tool is used to rotate the selected image. Text tool is used to insert text in the canvas. I. Open remote file. This allows you to switch from mobile interface to desktop view. J. Filter tool. This contains the different filters that you can apply to images. L. Tool settings. This allows you to change the settings of the selected tool. Let's practice. Instructions. Number 1. Look for the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Tap the app to open it. Number 2. You are required to create a Google account if you don't have one or are not yet signed in. Tap the Sign In button. Number 3. Log in to your Google account by inputting the email and password provided by your school. Note: if you encounter this prompt, Tap Existing to continue. Continue by inputting the email and password provided by your school. Number 4. Search for XGimp by typing it in the search bar. Number 5. Once the app is found, tap Install. Number 6. Wait for it to download and install on your mobile device. After the app has been installed, tap Open. Number 7. To create a new file in XGimp, tap the plus sign icon and select New Image. Number 8. A dialog box will then appear. Type a name for your image, then tap Create. Number 9. The canvas will now appear with the default dimensions. Number 10. To save the image, tap the Options menu, Save.